The hydraulic pipeline installation robot for coal mines. Utilizing a 3-stage humanoid robotic arm and an interleaved mechanical gripper, this robot is capable of clamping, lifting, and aligning pipelines with high precision. Designed to replace manual labor in underground pipeline installation, it significantly reduces workers' physical workload, enhances operational efficiency, and ensures workplace safety. Technical features. 1. Easy operation. Equipped with both remote control and manual operation modes, the robot can be conveniently operated within line of sight. 2. Safe and reliable. The system features interlocked movements. Gripping is disabled during travel, and movement is disabled during gripping, effectively preventing safety hazards caused by misoperation. 3. Compact size. With a width of only 1.2 meters and a compact structure, the robot occupies only half the roadway during operation, allowing other vehicles to pass smoothly. 4. Convenient alignment. Nylon roller sets are integrated inside the mechanical gripper to prevent pipe damage and allow the pipeline to rotate freely within the gripper for easier positioning.